Amazon is full of gadgets, but buried between the overpriced and the unnecessary are hidden gems that cost less than dinner and deliver mind-blowing value. From smart lighting to phone hacks, desk upgrades to travel lifesavers, these gadgets prove that tech doesn't have to break the bank. Here are 30 cheap Amazon tech gadgets that people can't stop raving about. Number 30. Smart LED light bulbs. Smart LED light bulbs are one of the cheapest ways to turn an ordinary home into a smart home. With Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, you can dim, brighten, or change the color of your lighting right from your phone or through voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home. Whether you want soft, warm tones for relaxing evenings or bright daylight for working, these bulbs adapt instantly. Many even have timers or away modes for added security. For under $20, they add convenience, atmosphere, and energy efficiency to any room. Number 29. Wireless charging pad. Tired of untangling cords at night or at your desk? A wireless charging pad offers a sleek, cable-free solution. Just place your compatible phone on the pad and it charges automatically. No plugging in required. Most models are compact enough for nightstands or offices and can even support fast charging. They're also affordable, often under $15, making them a budget-friendly upgrade that feels futuristic. While cases thicker than 5mm can interfere, most slim cases work perfectly. Once you get used to dropping your phone down and waking up to a full charge, you'll never want to go back. Number 28. Portable phone stand. If you're always propping your phone up against coffee mugs or books, a portable phone stand is a must-have. These foldable stands are compact enough to slip into your pocket or bag, yet sturdy enough to hold a tablet or phone at the perfect angle. Whether you're cooking and need recipes hands-free, binging Netflix in bed, or jumping on a Zoom call, this gadget keeps your device stable and upright. Adjustable angles add flexibility, and many are made of lightweight aluminum or durable plastic. For under $10, it's a small but mighty upgrade for daily convenience. Number 27. TileMate Bluetooth Tracker. For anyone who constantly misplaces their keys, wallet, or even backpack, the TileMate Bluetooth Tracker is a lifesaver. This small square device attaches to your items and syncs with the Tile app, letting you ring it from your phone or see its last known location on a map. If your phone is lost, double press the Tile to make it ring, even on silent. The range is solid and the battery lasts about a year before needing replacement. At around $20, it's cheap insurance against the frustration of searching for lost belongings every morning. Number 26. LED strip lights. Few gadgets transform a room's vibe as dramatically as LED strip lights. These flexible peel and stick strips line desks, TVs, or walls, instantly turning a dull setup into a glowing, customizable space. With millions of color options, brightness controls, and music sync modes, they're popular for gaming rooms, cozy living rooms, and even TikTok videos. Most strips are USB powered or plug into outlets, making them easy to install. For under $20, you can add atmosphere, mood, and personality to your home. They're affordable, fun, and addictive. You'll likely want them in every room once you try them. Number 25. Mini USB desk fan. When summer heat hits and the office air conditioner just isn't enough, this mini USB desk fan comes to the rescue. Compact in size, yet surprisingly powerful, it plugs directly into your laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. Its silent motor makes it perfect for work or study without distraction. Lightweight and portable, you can even carry it while traveling. A budget-friendly gadget that keeps you cool anytime, anywhere. Number 24. Smart plug. Transform your everyday appliances into smart devices with this easy-to-use smart plug. Simply connect it to your Wi-Fi, plug in a lamp, fan, or coffee maker, and control it all from your phone. You can even set schedules so your coffee is ready when you wake up or your lights turn off automatically at bedtime. It's energy efficient, voice assistant compatible, and incredibly affordable. An easy upgrade that adds smart home convenience without the big investment. Number 23. USB rechargeable hand warmer. This clever gadget is a winter essential for anyone tired of freezing hands. Slip it into your pocket and it keeps your palms warm for hours while you're out in the cold. But here's the bonus. It doubles as a portable power bank, meaning you can charge your phone on the go. Rechargeable via USB, it's eco-friendly and reusable compared to disposable warmers. Perfect for commuters, travelers, or anyone braving chilly mornings. Number 22. Cable management clips. If you're constantly fishing charging cables off the floor, these cable management clips are a cheap but life-changing fix. Stick them to your desk, nightstand, stand or wall, and they hold cords neatly in place. No more tangled messes, lost wires, or cluttered spaces. Just an organized setup that makes plugging in easy. They work for USB cables, headphones, or even thicker cords. Simple, reusable, and affordable. They're one of those small gadgets that solve big daily frustrations. Number 21. Digital luggage scale. Avoid surprise baggage fees with this pocket-sized digital luggage scale. Lightweight and easy to use, it lets you weigh your suitcase before leaving for the airport. Just hook the strap onto your bag handle, lift, and get an instant reading on the display. It's accurate, durable, and compact enough to slip into your travel bag. With airlines charging steep fees for overweight luggage, this little gadget easily pays for itself after just one trip. Number 20. Rechargeable book light. Perfect for night owls, this rechargeable book light clips easily onto your book, e-reader, or Kindle. With adjustable brightness settings, it lets you read comfortably without straining your eyes or disturbing anyone sleeping nearby. Lightweight and compact, it slips into a bag or even a pocket, making it ideal for travel. Since it's USB rechargeable, you'll never have to worry about replacing batteries again. A simple gadget that makes late night reading so much better. Number 19. Magnetic phone mount for cars. Driving while holding your phone is both dangerous and distracting. This magnetic phone mount fixes that problem instantly. Attach it to your dashboard or air vent, and your phone snaps into place securely with powerful magnets. It keeps your GPS visible at eye level, making navigation safe and convenient. Small, affordable, and easy to install, it works with most phone sizes and cases. A must-have car gadget for anyone who drives often. Number 18. Keychain power bank. No one likes the panic of seeing their phone at 1% battery while out. Enter the keychain power bank, small, sleek, and the size of a lipstick. It attaches right to your keys, so you'll always have backup power on hand. While not meant for a full charge, it provides enough juice to make calls, order a ride, or send that important text. USB rechargeable and travel friendly, it's the emergency gadget you didn't know you needed. Number 17. USB hub with multiple ports. Laptops never seem to have enough USB ports, but this handy hub solves that in seconds. Plug it into one slot, and suddenly you have 3 or 4 extra ports for drives, keyboards, mice, or even charging. Compact and lightweight, it's a must-have for students, professionals, or anyone juggling multiple devices. Affordable and versatile, it transforms your setup without breaking the bank. A small gadget that makes a huge difference in daily productivity. Number 16. Cable protector spirals. Charging cables are expensive, and fraying at the ends is almost unavoidable unless you use these colorful spiral protectors. Simply wrap them around the cable ends, and they prevent bending, tearing, and eventual breakage. Not only do they extend the lifespan of your cables, but they also add a fun splash of color to your setup. Affordable, reusable, and easy to apply, these little spirals save you money in the long run. Number 15. Bluetooth shower speaker. Turn your shower into a concert with this waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Rechargeable and compact, it sticks to tiles or glass, delivering surprisingly good sound. Perfect for singing along, catching podcasts, or taking calls without risking your phone. Number 14. Phone camera lens kit. Transform your phone into a creative photography tool with this clip-on lens kit. Includes wide angle, macro, and fisheye lenses for under $20. Easy to use, it adds fun perspectives and upgrades your mobile photography instantly. Number 13. Smart notebook. A reusable, eco-friendly notebook that feels like paper but wipes clean with a damp cloth. Write with a pen, erase when done, and sync notes to your phone or cloud storage. Saves money and reduces waste. Number 12. Rechargeable motion sensor lights. Stick these lights under cabinets, in hallways, or in closets for instant illumination. Motion activated and rechargeable, they automatically turn on when you walk by, making dark spaces safer and more convenient. No wiring required, just peel and stick. Number 11. Car USB charger with multiple ports. Never fight over charging cables on the road again. This compact USB car charger powers 2 or 3 devices at once, keeping everyone's phone topped up. Cheap, efficient, and a true road trip essential. Number 10. Desk cable sleeve organizer. Messy wires can ruin even the nicest desk setup. This cable sleeve is a simple but effective fix. It bundles your cords into one sleek, flexible tube that hides the chaos and gives your workspace a clean, professional vibe. Whether you're gaming, working from home, or just tired of tripping over cables, it instantly upgrades your desk aesthetics while keeping everything organized and tangle-free. Affordable, practical, and surprisingly satisfying. Number 9. Phone ring light. Good lighting makes all the difference, and this pocket-sized ring light proves it. Just clip it onto your phone, adjust the brightness, and suddenly your selfies, TikToks, or Zoom calls look like they were shot in a studio. It eliminates unflattering shadows and gives your face a soft, even glow. Lightweight and rechargeable, it's the secret tool influencers and professionals swear by. And it costs less than dinner out. Number 8. Smart temperature mug warmer. Keep your coffee or tea warm for hours with this smart desk gadget. Just place your mug on it and it maintains the perfect temperature. Once you try it, lukewarm drinks become a thing of the past. Number 7. USB rechargeable batteries. These innovative batteries recharge directly through USB, saving you from constantly buying disposables. Eco-friendly and cost-effective, they work just like normal AA or AAA batteries but can be reused hundreds of times, a money-saving essential for tech lovers. Number 6. Portable mini projector. Transform any blank wall into a theater with this compact mini projector. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for movie nights, gaming, or presentations. Despite the small size, many models deliver surprisingly sharp and bright visuals. Number 5. Multi-device charging cable. Tired of carrying 3 different chargers? This all-in-one cable comes with USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB connectors, letting you charge virtually any device with one cord. Perfect for families, travelers, or anyone juggling multiple gadgets. Durable and tangle-free, it reduces clutter and ensures you're never stuck with the wrong charger. Toss it in your bag, and you'll always have the right connection handy without the stress of mismatched cords. Number 4. Wireless earbuds under $25. You don't need to spend a fortune for great sound. These budget-friendly wireless earbuds deliver crisp audio, strong bass, and long-lasting battery life. Often up to 20 hours with the charging case. Compact and lightweight, they're perfect for workouts, commutes, or casual listening. No annoying wires, no tangled cords, just pure convenience. And the best part? They cost a fraction of premium earbuds while still offering surprisingly solid performance. Number 3. Laptop cooling pad. If your laptop heats up like a furnace, this gadget is a lifesaver. A cooling pad uses built-in fans to circulate air and keep your device at a safe temperature. Gamers, video editors, and binge watchers will love the extra performance boost since a cooler laptop runs faster and lasts longer. Slim and lightweight, it fits easily in your bag, turning any desk or lap into a cooler, safer workstation. Number 2. Smart digital alarm clock. More than just a clock, this smart alarm blends minimalist design with useful features. Many models display time, temperature, and even offer USB ports to charge your devices overnight. Some come with dimmable displays, soothing wake-up lights, or Alexa integration. All for under $20. It's the modern take on a bedside essential, making mornings smoother and nights less cluttered. Wake up smart without breaking the bank. Number 1. Portable SSD or flash drive. Need extra storage on the go? A portable SSD or flash drive slips into your pocket yet carries gigabytes or even terabytes of files, photos, and videos. Faster and more reliable than old school hard drives, these gadgets are perfect for students, professionals, or travelers who need backups and quick transfers. Plug it into your laptop, gaming console, or smart TV, and you've got instant access to movies, music, or important work files. Cheap doesn't mean useless. These 30 Amazon Tech gadgets prove that small, affordable innovations can dramatically upgrade your daily life. At home, at work, or on the go. Which one would you grab first? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gadget roundups and money-saving tech hacks.